Hello everyone, I am Meghna Jain. Today I am going to tell you a story. Yes, a story. The story of two seeds. How two seeds are different from each other and what are they going to face in the real world? What are their difference in the attitudes of these two seeds we are going to talk about, and what is the future of these two seeds. We are talk about all these things in this story. Very good. Let us start the story. Two seeds lay side by side in a fertile soil. That means they have equal chances of growing up. Both of them can grow because they are in a fertile soil. The first seed said, I want to grow. I want to send my roots deep into the soil beneath me and trust my sprouts. What are the sprouts? Sprouts are the small plants from the seed. Through the earth's crust above me. The first seed wanted to grow. I want to unfurl my tender buds like banners to announce the arrival of spring. What is spring? Spring is always the symptom of happiness. वो happy रहना चाहता है. He wants to be happy. He wants to announce the arrival of spring. He wants to feel good. He wants to experience everything in life. I want to feel the warmth of the sun on my face and the blessings of the morning dew on my petals. ड्यू क्या होता है बेटा? जो छोटी छोटी ओस की बूंदे हैं, वो उसको फील करना चाहता है अपने ऊपर. warmth of the sun को अपने ऊपर फील करना चाहता है. He wants to experience everything in life. As she grow, वो grow हो गई because she wanted to grow up. She wanted to experience, मतलब हमारी inner जो strength होती है that can allow us to do anything in life. जो उसकी inner strength थी to do something, to grow up, वो इतनी strong थी कि she end up growing up. On the other hand, the second seed said, if I send my roots into the ground below, I don't know what will encounter in the dark. वो तो यही सोचता जा रहा है कि अगर ऐसा हुआ तो क्या होगा. वो ग्रो अप करना ही नहीं चाहता. The second seed does not want to grow up. If I push my way through the hard soil above me, I may damage my delicate sprouts. Sprouts क्या होते हैं? वही मैंने आपको बताया था. A small plant from the seed is a sprout. So he is thinking that uh, some insects will damage the sprouts. What if I let my buds open and a snail tries to eat them? वो यही सोचता रह गया कि अगर मैं ग्रो होऊंगा तो कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. And if I were to open my blossoms, a small child may pull me from the ground. वो कहता है कि कभी अगर मैं blossoms अपना कुछ ना कोई रूट या लीव्स उसमें से निकालूंगा तो क्या पता एक चाइल्ड आकर उसको स्पॉइल कर दे. No, it is much better for me to wait until it is safe. वो सेफ्टी को लेकर बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्शियस है. वो यही सोचे जा रहा है कि जब सेफ होगा तभी मैं ग्रो अप करूंगा. So what will happen to him? Let us see. A yard hen scratching around in the early springs for food found the waiting seed, promptly ate it. उसने उसको खा लिया. और the first seed grew and the second seed ended up in the stomach of a hen. Moral of the story: those who dream big and think positively will grow and prosper. Like the first seed always thinked positively and grew up. Those who think negatively, like the second seed, and refuse to risk will always be swallowed up by life. मतलब उन्हें लाइफ से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, वो हमेशा सोचते ही रह जाएंगे, वो नेगेटिव थिंकिंग और हमेशा रिस्क लेने को रिफ्यूज करेंगे. अगर हम चलना, हम एक छोटे बेबी होते हैं, अगर हम चलने का ट्राई ही नहीं मारेंगे कभी, हम ये सोचेंगे कि हम हमेशा गिर जाएंगे, हम कभी ट्राई ही नहीं मारेंगे, तो हम कभी कुछ चीज जिंदगी में नहीं कर सकते. सो whatever the things are, you need to give it a try, students. एक बार आप ट्राई करेंगे तभी आप उस चीज को सक्सीड कर पाएंगे. कभी आप मैथ्स करना ही नहीं सीखेंगे या कंप्यूटर्स करना ही नहीं सीखेंगे तो आपको कैसे, आपको, आप करेंगे ही नहीं उसको इस डर से कि वो मुझसे हो नहीं पाएगा. बट जब करेंगे तभी तो हो पाएगा. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस, देयर इज अ सिमिलैरिटी इन बोथ द थिंग्स. प्लीज ऑलवेज नेवर गिव अप, ट्राई इन लाइफ. जो भी चीज है, सर्कमस्टांसेस जो भी आते हैं, प्लीज ट्राई इन लाइफ. जो भी होता है, प्लीज गिव इट अ ट्राई.